Hey you guys, so we are straight in the shower today, crusty and dusty, ready to use the new Garnier Fructis Aloe Hydrating line. So I saw this line a couple months ago and I had to pick it up when I finally saw it in Target because they were only selling it overseas. And I picked up the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioner. And actually the conditioner and the leave-in are the same exact product. So I'll be using one as the leave-in. But this one is the Hydrating Treat Shampoo. This is a sulfate shampoo. So if you're not into sulfates, you would want to go ahead and skip this one. It's a lightweight, thin consistency type of shampoo. And it wasn't like a pearlized shampoo. So I'm like, oh, okay, this is going to strip my hair, give me a clarifying feel, which is kind of why I bought it. Because I wanted to completely like reset my hair from the last products that I had in my hair. And it was lathering up so fast, like I literally could have just used the dime size of this. I used way too much, but it was really, really moisturizing, and that shocked me. I like did not get that squeaky, clean feeling that I thought I was getting ready to feel. So I went ahead and pinned that up and went through and shampooed the rest of my hair. And also I wanted to show you guys like in the front where I was actually able to like finger detangle. Like this was that moisturizing and had that much slip, and I was completely surprised because Garnier is like one of those brands for more straight and loose textures. So usually their shampoos are pretty clarifying. And I'm just showing you guys how I was rinsing the shampoo out. And it was super easy to rinse it out. I hate when I get those shampoos that I'm rinsing forever and I feel like shampoo is still stuck in my hair. Like, that is so annoying. So right here, I'm just showing you guys my hair. And I just wanted to show you guys how clean my scalp is. And my scalp was clean, like no product buildup. You could see my brain, child, my scalp was so clean. So, and it was soft and my hair felt real good. So I put my hair back up in 4 sections so I can get the deep conditioning process started. And I'm using the mask, 1 minute mask as the deep conditioner. And I'm going to use the leave-in later, at the conditioner as the leave-in later. It was thick in the jar, but once you touched it, it was like fluffy and soft. So I made sure that I got a big old goo gop of it because I wasn't sure how it was going to perform on my hair. Because, you know, it is a Garnier mask and I wasn't sure if it was going to do anything. But it did like smooth into my hair really good. It felt like it was penetrating my strands, and I made sure I put extra on them ends. That's the oldest part of our hair, so I make sure I gave that some special attention. So here I go, like, okay, let's see what the detangling thing is going to be about. Like, I didn't expect much from it at all. So got my handy dandy Tangle Teezer because that's going to tell it all, whether it's some tangles in here, whether this thing has slip or what's going on. And y'all, that thing was gliding. Did you see that? Like, girl, like for real though. Like, hold on. This ain't just got slipped like that. Like, it didn't even feel like it was going to be that slippery. Like, it felt good, but it didn't feel like it had hella slip where my tangles was just going to come out like that. So I'm like, okay, let me get some more hair and see what's going on. Like, okay, this part is tangled. As you can see, it was tangled. So I'm like, let's try this again to see if I was tripping. So I'm gliding it through and I'm like, oh, there go a tangle. Is it going to come out? And it slid right on out. And then it was like, it wasn't no more tangles. And I'm like, what is going on? Because I did not detangle previously. Like, I did not. So I'm like, okay, let me face the camera and look. Because am I tripping? Like, this little mask is doing better than some of the more expensive masks that I've used in the past, honey. Like, the detangling session was just phenomenal, and I was just shocked. Like, so I had to do me a little dance when that detangling session be good, girl, because you know we hate that part. And I was just showing y'all how much I used, like half of it, but like who cares? It's like $5. So I put my bag on, and then I'm gonna wash my body, put my heating cap on, and yeah, deep conditioning session in full effect, baby. Hey, sweet babies. So we are back in the studio, getting ready to rinse my hair out. I have a sink over there. Child, I'm lying, child. We in the basement, girl. It is a sink over there, though, but we ain't in no damn studio. But one day, we will be in the studio. It's going to be cute, set up, whole little room dedicated. You know, I just had to speak it into existence or whatever. But anyway, I am about to rinse this out of my hair so we can get into the styling portion of the video. It feels good. It feels soft. It feels moisturized. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the styling portion. And since we're keeping it all in like the affordable type of family, we're just gonna go ahead and use this one as the leave-in, because like I told you guys earlier, this and this are the exact same product in different bottles. Like, so this looks like more like a deep conditioner to me, so I used it as such, and I like this because it's in a bottle, so I'm gonna use this one as a leave-in. But if you compare the ingredients, they are the exact same product. So I tested the texture, I tested the consistency, the smell. Like, girl, you don't have to buy both, but I'm extra, and they was $5. Like, so keeping it in an affordable family, good old wet line, girl. I mean, it don't get no more affordable than this, right? And wetline performs. It does the job. My hair be like good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in 4 sections, and we're gonna get this party started. So I just wanted to show you guys that I'm using the conditioner as my leave-in, and I just wanted to show you guys like this first initial part in real time, so you can really see like how much product I'm using. Quite a bit as normal, and just so you guys can see how the leave-in penetrates into my hair. It didn't feel like it had goo gobs of slip, but neither did the conditioner. But when it came to detangling, it definitely performed the way I liked it to. So then I'm going in with about that much gel per section. Is that a lot of gel? Absolutely, it's a lot of gel, and that's just how much gel I use. I've used wetline so many times, so I know how much to use on my hair to make it work, and that works out good for me. And then I'm just going to do some shingling, because that makes my wash and go look a little bit more defined, how I like it. So yeah, so I'm going to just do that all through my hair and come back to y'all when it's all done and speed this thing up. Okay, you guys, we are finally done. It feels like it took forever, but you know when you're shingling, it does take forever. So I'm gonna just do a little turnaround, let y'all see what it looked like. So yeah, we got everything on. I am going to actually just let it sit on my hair for a couple of hours before I get under the dryer. Normally I would just completely air dry, but I do have something to do later on this evening. So I am going to just let it marinate for a couple of hours. And that's a tip too, you know, if you notice that you do sit under the dryer, but you have flaking, let your hair just marinate and sit for a couple of hours before you just jump right up under the hair dryer as well. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna come to y'all, back to y'all when my hair is completely dry. Hey you guys, so we are back. This is our wash and go. I literally just let it air dry for like 2 hours. Then I sat under the dryer for a little bit because of course I had somewhere to be. But this is our wash and go, you guys. And we have like, it's soft. It's like fluffy. I have movement. And I made sure I put on a black top, honey. We have no flakes, not zero flakes. And this wash and go was popping to me. Like, you guys, this shampoo, it really, really surprised me. Like, I thought that I purchased it just for the simple fact that I thought it was going to strip my hair. I wanted it to strip my hair from the last video that I had. Like, I wanted my hair to be completely stripped, erased from that whole thing so I could start over. But this was extremely moisturizing. I was able to do a little finger detangle. This absolutely surprised me. I would completely continue to reach for this product. Surprisingly, I would repurchase this product. This is actually better than some of the sulfate-free shampoos that I have. So this, don't sleep on this. If you're not scared of sulfates, honey, pick this up. $5, $6 will last you eons, because you know we don't use that much shampoo. We go through conditioner like it's running out of style. But this right here, this will last you forever, and it's very, very, very good. I really like this shampoo. This 2020 must be the year of shampoos, because I'm done found 2 already, and it's just January that I'm like, where this come from? Because I hate shampoos. That should be, girl. Okay, so you guys know I use this as my deep conditioner. I put it on. Y'all saw that it detangled pretty freaking well. Like, I like the slip on this. So yeah, it says 1 minute mask, but I would not recommend you use it as a 1 minute mask. Me personally, I'm always gonna put it on with a cap, with heat, deep condition like I normally do. And I did that, and I got the results that I was looking for, and I'm good with this. Now, this is the one that says you can use it as a rinse out conditioner, a deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner. So since I picked up this, which is exactly the same thing as this based on the ingredients, they are the exact same thing. One is in a tub, one is in a bottle. I use this one as the leave-in, and this is what we came out with. So this was great for a leave-in. As you saw from the results, if you're low porosity, you will have the white on your hair, and it looked like it may not soak in, but it absolutely soaked in and paired extremely well with the affordable Wetline. Like, girl, Wetlines ain't caused me no problem yet. So we ain't gonna review Wetline, but if you're looking for a gel that pairs well with this, Wetline is it. Y'all know Wetline will have your shit bricked. Like, it will have you. I gotta quit cussing. You know Wetline will have your hair like super crunchy. Like, Wetline don't play no games. But this has my hair soft with Wetline. Like, I feel like I use like a curl maker or a Curly Magic from Unky Funkies. Like, my hair is not hard. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, it's not hard. Of course, you got like a little bit of crunch for those that like a little bit of crunch, but it's still like soft. Like, I'm still good. Like, I don't feel like a cracker or anything. Like, I don't got that. Like, no, the ingredients aren't all juices and berries and vegetable roots and all of that. They're not. Even if you just went with this, because you can use this as a mask and a leave-in. If you just went with this, we talking about an $8 wash and go. Like, come on. You can't beat that. So I'm just keeping it real with y'all, letting y'all know how I feel. I think this was a great wash and go. This was a great affordable wash and go. So, hey, what y'all think? Tell me what y'all think. Do y'all like it? Do y'all think it's popping? I mean, there's not a flake, y'all. Like, not one. And my hair is soft and like stiff. Where, boo? Like, where's she stiff at? She's not. She's moving. She's like got action and bounce. Like, she ready. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. That is my review. I hope you guys pick up these products and enjoy them as much as I did. And until next time, you guys, I will see you. Bye, boo.